Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol KGKG. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I let you this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Been doing this analysis on a pretty routine basis. Last time I did it, I put that line in there at 10 cents and talked about it as a level of resistance, but that is definitely where the first update needs to come into play. And that update is based on the foundational rule in charting that states when levels of resistance are broken and closed above, you want to see them act as support. So 10 cents was a level of support, resistance going into today. But now that the price is broken up above it, you would want to see it act as support, and that's actually already played out very nicely here. So kind of from theory to reality right there, you want to see it act as support. And on this little pullback here, that is exactly where the price found some support at 10 cents before starting to bounce and work its way back upwards. So going forward, staying up above 10 cents is going to be that ideal level that you would want to see hold strong. From more so the big picture point of view, it's all about the pink line down here, which is the 200 period simple moving average, moving being the key word. As time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So from a grand scheme of things, as long as the price is above that pink line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls do still technically own, again, kind of the grand trend, if you will, the overall chart. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this move is going to continue on upwards, where are some of these next potential battlegrounds at? As far as where the sellers are currently potentially hanging out at, I want to scrunch up the chart a little bit to give a little bit more perspective. This was a former area of support, and that's right up there in 11.5 cents. So 11.5 cents, that near-term level, if the price can push through there, just in case things get crazier, I feel like I better map out the next level. After 11.5, then right up there around 0.122. So 11.5 and then 0.122 is the next couple areas of resistance. All in all, though, any way you look at it, nice movement today, nice break of that resistance. So we'll see if the bulls can continue to build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.